Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm pretty good here. So in this video we are going to see the unboxing of the CP Plus CCTV camera, which is definitely essential for our homes because a lot of our homes are having only our elderly parents, or we can monitor the children uh, being in a different room and etc and etc. It's so secure here, and this type of camera comes in a budget of 1,700 rupees through Amazon. Actual cost of the camera is like 3,000 rupees, and it does have the features like 2MP full HD camera, and it's a smart Wi-Fi CCTV home security camera, and it's 360 degree with pan tilt, and you can view and talk to the camera either, and it detects the motion alert, and it can be used in the night using the night vision, and it does support the SD card of up to 128 gig, and Alexa and Google Home can be supported either, and it definitely captures the images in the distance of 10 meters, and there are other features like what's it it's a two-way talk and intellify, and as I told before, it can capture the motion alert, and the video can be recorded in 180p full HD, and what's it yeah, so these are all some of the features. So right now we have unboxed the box, and inside which you can find the user manual and the camera, and the socket and the Type C USB cable. And it's an intelligent AI based security CCTV camera, and it can be definitely useful for the places like the retail stores, homes, offices, hospitals, or warehouses. And it comes with an advanced home security camera, and it can be monitored through the cloud based applications. So all your recordings are stored on cloud for easier access. So continuous video recording on memory card for up to 128 GB, and it's an advanced. It has the advanced night vision, like inbuilt infrared LEDs, so which offers you an enhanced night vision, and yeah. So right now we can see the unboxing of this CCTV camera, which do have the power socket and USB C cable. The installation also is pretty easy, like it's very hassle free. Just you need to connect to your local Wi-Fi, which can be done in a moment, and simply select the network, input the password, and you're good to go. You can even talk to the person on the other side while you are seeing the live video feed, and stay connected to your loved ones around the clock. So you can see the speakers and the camera getting tilted 360 degree. You can even connect through the mobile and see the video feed through your mobile. So this is the app Easy Cam Plus, which is available in the Play Store or the Apple Store. So once you install it, it will ask you to sign up. So once you enter the email ID, they send you the verification code to your email ID. So once you enter that, it will ask you to add the device. So the you can select the device from this list of devices which do support the EasyCam, and this model is E25. So when you select it, it will ask for you to enter the Wi-Fi name and the password. So currently when we scroll down, we can so right now the device has been selected, and when you click on next, it will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi name and the password. Once you enter that, it will ask you to place the mobile phone in a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters, so that it can capture the QR code. So once you do that, it will get connected. So this is how it was laid out in during the setup, to capture the Wi-Fi or to connect to the Wi-Fi. So right now this is how the camera is capturing the video. So you can see how clarity it do have. So the camera clarity is like 2 MP. So it do have like a lot of options in the app, like night vision, motion tracking, motion detection, and you can record the video, or you can capture the using the camera mode. So this is how it looks, and you can you can rotate the camera screen through your mobile like a remote. So right now you're seeing the remote, so through which like you can change the direction of the capturing and all the stuff. So this is how it's currently capturing the place it has been laid out currently. So you can see that my camera is getting rotated and move to a different position each time when you try to change the position through the app. So right now we have came to the end of the video. So thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.